I've actually got a proper drone for a change of 2 items I've got to make, and all they are is little lubricators for a traction engine crosshead. They're basically little brass cylinders with some threads in one end and a nail screw in cap and a pipe fitting in the other end. They're made out of brass. He's asked for the thread here to be 1/2 inch BSP. I'm going to change that and I'm going to do a 22mm by 2.5. It's easier to cut a metric thread on this lathe, and with it just being a blanket cap it makes no difference what thread it is. So we'll change that to 22 by 2.5. The rest of it will be the same. The thread in the end of there is 8 BSP, which I have a tap for. I've got some inch brass bars, so we'll carry on and get these made. I'm going to use the collet chuck because I'll have to turn this around, and you can grip things in the collet chuck without damaging them. You can also repeat accuracy by turning things around. This is my new AR40 spanner and it's absolutely wonderful. I love it. Right. The first thing I'll do, once we square the end up, I'll drill it, bore it and put the threads in that end. Then we'll chop it off and turn it around and do the machine on the other end of it. As what often happens with bits of brass bar, they get used as punches. That's why the end's been damaged. I need to swirl out with 20mm, that's a tap and drill for the metric thread. Right, I've got a 19mm drill in here. I've slowed things down a bit and this drill fairly blunt so it won't grab. Right, that's on to 25mm full depth. Just going to clean the hole up. Right, well up before 20mm. Fannies out of that. Right, that's 20mm. I'm going to machine a little recess on the screw cutting tool to start off in. Needs 10mm of thread, so we'll wind that in 10mm and put a recess in there. Right, that's 10mm. Bring it out with the touches. And there. That's splendid. A little recess there for the screw cutting tool to drop into. Right, I've got the gearbox set up to cut the 2mm thread. I've got a 60° tool in the tool hole that unfortunately I can't get me insert hole there, and it's too big. I'm just going to cut this thread using the cross slide. I'm not going to bother angling the compound slide. Basically going to cut the thread both sides at once because it's a soft material. It's not really a thread that's that coarse. The thread depth needs to be 1mm. We'll start things up, set things in motion. I've got my thread down indicator on. I'm going to put a little bit of cut on it. I'm waiting for things to move round. Right, so that's the first pass. Right, another one. Right, that's the thread cut to full depth. So the face is end again. Right, let's put a chamfer on it. Right, it's parting off to length 35. Which is there. Chuck is wonderful, I love it. I've left half a mil to take off. 5-degree chamfer goes onto there. This is purely cosmetic. It's up to me how much I put on. And that looks nice at that. This now needs drilling and tapping HPSP. Tap and drill for HPSP is 8.4. Right, we've got an HPSP tap. Gonna put my foot on anything. This is HPSP parallel, not a tapered thread. Push it all the way through. Nice clean sharp thread. Right, now for the lid. The lid needs a knurled finish on it so you can grip it. A nice nail pattern, a little bit touch deeper. Right. Okay, that's 20 mil. We'll put a recess in the end and we can get some threads put onto it. Okay, that's a 2 mil pitch screw cutting tool on centre height. once again, I'd just like to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always a massive thanks for all the well wishes that are coming in. This is a special time of year. To me it's Christmas, so I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. But whatever religion, faith, whatever you believe in, this is all about people. It's about children mainly, people, friends, relatives. It's about spending time with your family, which is a really important thing to do. We haven't all got all our family here. I've lost members of family, I'm sure you all have. But make sure you go and see Boaz left, because you just don't know what's around the corner. Anyway, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I think we should be getting somewhere near now. Ah, John, you silly twat. That should have been 22 mil, not 20. Right, that's it. Time to go to the pub. Oh, you bastard! Clumsy twat.